What does pandemic travel insurance cover? Have you ever wondered what pandemic travel insurance really covers? If you are planning a trip to Europe, understanding this can help you travel with peace of mind. Pandemic travel insurance is designed to protect you against risks related to infectious disease outbreaks, like COVID-19. Let's break down the key areas that this type of insurance typically covers. First, emergency medical treatment related to the pandemic is a major component. If you fall ill during your trip due to the pandemic virus, your insurance can cover hospital stays, emergency room visits, and necessary medical treatments. Just remember that coverage is subject to the policy limits. Next, let's talk about trip cancellation or interruption. If you need to cancel or cut your trip short because you contract the virus, are required to quarantine, or face sudden travel restrictions, your insurance may reimburse you for non-refundable costs. This includes flights and hotel bookings. However, if you cancel just because you are afraid of getting sick, many policies will not cover that. Quarantine coverage is another important aspect. Some policies will cover additional expenses if you need to extend your stay due to mandatory quarantine requirements. This can help ease the financial burden of unexpected changes to your plans. Emergency evacuation and repatriation are also covered in severe cases. If you need specialized medical care that is not available locally, your insurance can cover the costs of being transported back to your home country or to a facility that can treat you. Additionally, some policies may reimburse costs for COVID-19 testing or treatments required by governments or airlines as part of travel protocols. This can be especially helpful in ensuring you meet entry requirements for your destination. When planning your trip to Europe, keep in mind some important considerations. If you need a Schengen visa, your travel insurance must meet minimum medical coverage requirements. This usually includes at least €30,000 in emergency medical coverage and repatriation benefits. Many policies now include COVID-19 coverage, but it is essential to verify this before purchasing. For European Union residents, the European Health Insurance Card provides access to necessary state-provided health care during travel in EU countries. However, it does not replace travel insurance and may not cover all pandemic-related expenses, especially for non-European Union travelers. Be aware of policy exclusions as well. Routine medical care, pre-existing conditions, and voluntary cancellations due to fear of infection are generally not covered. Also, if new restrictions are imposed after you purchase your policy, cancellations may not be covered unless explicitly stated. Lastly, some insurers offer cancel for any reason add-ons. These optional upgrades allow you to cancel for reasons not typically covered, including pandemic-related concerns. However, these policies can be more expensive and often have strict timing requirements for purchase. In summary, pandemic travel insurance provides a safety net for travelers facing health risks, quarantine, and travel disruptions. Understanding what is covered can help you navigate your European adventure with confidence. Always review the policy terms carefully to know what is included and how it applies to your travel plans.